Hey, I'm Anthony, your recovery coach, and you're at yourrehab.coach. I got an incredible offer for you. I'm so excited to talk to my web guy today, and we decided this is the day. You get complimentary recovery coaching for 1 week, but you got to fill out the form, get it to me, get started within 3 days. I'll need all your paperwork in within 3 days, and for 1 week, one on one recovery coaching. If you haven't had recovery coaching, it is awesome. I've had it, I've delivered it. People love recovery coaching. This is the way you can find out what it's like for you personally, how it will change your life personally. I guarantee it will change your life. Hey, and if it doesn't, no problem. You move on. And if it does, here's the bonus for you who jump in. This is a bonus for the individuals who jump in now on this offer. You get all that information within 3 days into me. You get an extra 90% off of, this is a limited time offer of the services you get or you want to purchase with me to continue on. This is for obviously for Canadians, Americans, individuals who are serious about recovering and being healthy and happy in their life, and they want to live better for themselves, for their families, for society, for their career, for their destiny. It's for you. This is my gift to you. I'm Anthony, your rehab